This is the Saigon Central Post Office in Ho Chi Minh City, District 1. It's really iconic attraction here in Saigon. Opens from 8 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. from Monday to Sunday and Saturday, and then 8 to 5 p.m. on Sunday. So basically it opens every single day. And outside a lot of people are taking the photos. So let's explore this iconic post office right here in Saigon. On both sides there are shops, some small shops selling souvenirs, SIM card. And there are many tour groups leading the tourists here to tourist destination. Also there are some beautiful brown color structure, and then there's a crowd with different countries like Pretoria, Seoul, Beijing, Tokyo and Moscow. So we continue our tour. There's a tour desk here selling the tickets to on and off bus to Fuji Tunnel, Mekong Delta and other kind of tourist buses. You can even get a free ticket to visit Independence Palace. If you buy like one 24-hour Ho Chi Minh City tour on or off ticket, and you get one Independence Palace entrance ticket free from 8 to 12 midnight on the same day. Lots of beautiful postcards here. It's very crowded even though today is Monday afternoon, evening, it's not even weekends. So there's a Vinaphone 4G and 5G SIM card. Some of the cute souvenirs sold here. I see some of the braids, even umbrellas, postcards. Can choose beautiful postcards here, and then the price is 55,000, which is less than $2 because the rate now is $1 to 26,000. No, okay, so it's slightly over $2. Oh, looks really nice. Be cheaper, 25,000. And the long table and the bench are for the visitors, tourists, or even locals to write their address and the name of the postcard to the people they want to send the items to. They even sell mineral water for 10,000 dong here. More of these cute little souvenirs. There are different departments. This one is a floral service for domestic, another one is the postpaid service. There's even shipping the containers, the hard box. You have to pay your items for a fee. There's even a weighing scale here. Customer care department. Oh, and one thing, they have English words, Vietnamese words as well as a Korean word, so it's really like trilingual kind of post office. There's even a home pickup, courier services, multi-language customer service with QR code. They receive internet shipping and pay your hotel, homestay or motel or home. Domestic international parcels, express postal items. Domestic international parcels, express postal items. Some of the cute surplus toys. These are the cute fans here. And even the mannequins. 50,000 dong. It's reasonable if you are just looking for a souvenir because it's really like unique. I think you can only buy them in Vietnam and not other places. This fridge mannequin, 65,000. There's even stamps here. And there's a brand called Miss Vietnam Perfumes. I think the highlight will be buying the souvenir, not just like posting the items or taking the selfies. I think kids will like some of these toys here. The stuff are the people wearing the blue color polo shirts. More the serious people writing the address to send their items. It seems every day there are a lot of people here selling items or just coming here to send selfies and buying the souvenirs. But one thing is there are only fans, there are no aircon, so it may get a little bit hot, so you can bring some portable fans if you have it. I like the green color of the architecture of this post office, the green gates, and then it's really tall, the roof. Oh yeah, forgot to mention the person, the portrait in the center is the former president of Vietnam, Mr. Ho Chi Minh, who is very honored and respected by the local people here. So perfumes, the brand Miss Vietnam is available here and can actually do a testing day with all those perfume sticks. And they are start wearing the yellow áo dài Vietnamese traditional costume. They will be in charge of selling these accessories and the perfumes. On both sides of the entrance there are souvenir shops, so let's take a look now. I see many beautiful paintings here and accessories. They sell a coffee here, espresso, and 50,000 dong. Another kind of souvenirs. These are the stamp collection, 150,000 dong. Collection of old money. Oh, that's really the old Vietnamese dong. Wow. It's amazing here how much decoration and stuff they have. They even sell the bags, t-shirts, the cats and so on. There's even a stamp album here. Wow. This is really beautiful. The Vietnam old coins. So Vietnam coin collection 1953 to 74. Whoa. They even sell the Vietjet and Vietnam Airlines motor planes. Whoa, the bamboo cups, 130,000 dong. And the Manix, oh, 70,000 dong. I have bricks there. Wow, I'll continue to explore the other side. Wow, there's a green window here. I can go at the outside and have a fresh air. Lots of souvenirs. The notebooks. It's really amazing place. Every single day there are people coming here from morning to evening to night until we really close at 5 to 6 p.m. depending on the days. For Sunday it closes at 5. And now I'm going to see the other shop, Vietnam souvenir shop, and explore the clock house right at the corner. I think basically they sell almost the same thing, the caps, bags. It's only maybe the price different, or it's just another extension. The stuff are basically almost the same, the keychains. Yeah, price the same, 110,000 for the caps. Lots of beautiful paintings you can buy home and hang it on the wall of your home. Oh, there are all these cute little panda with the Vietnamese pen on it. Let's check out what's the price. Oh, 350,000 dong. That's about 15 US dollars. It's really cute. And the figurines of the Vietnamese lady wearing the traditional costume and the conical hats. Wow, it's amazing. Really, really beautiful. You guys should come. Wow, let's see what they have here. Some kind of like a pen or something. 80,000 dong. Finally, we have the postcards of the Vietnam, of different tourist attraction places. This is a city opera house. Let's check out the price. 60,000 dong. Oh, it's a bum in Saigon. Same price, 60,000. Check this out, guys. It's really like a curved kind of fan. Lots of conical hats here. And people taking selfies. They even sell the traditional Vietnamese costume here for women and also for the kids. So there's a Vietnam Post collection by the postman from Monday to Saturday. The first time 12:15 p.m, second time 6:45 p.m. afternoon, and second time, the next collection will be on Saturday and Sunday, 12:15 p.m. for the first time, and second time is 5:45 p.m. Doesn't include holiday or the tax season. And this is the mailbox to put the letter inside, to store it in. You can see. Let's check out how is it inside of these little wooden cabinets, lockers, some kind of stuff. Oh. There is even a map of the Mekong Delta. I think the tour is almost done. Let's have a look at the outside of this Saigon Central Post Office right here in Ho Chi Minh City, District 1. Okay, more people are taking selfies. Oh, look at the architecture. It's really a Instagrammable photo taking spot here. I think it's number 1 in Saigon besides the Notre Dame Cathedral. There's a monument statue of maybe a hero or heroine right in front. The green fences are really one special thing here. That's iconic of this Saigon Central Post Office. If you are in Saigon, please come here at least once. Maybe you can just take about 30 minutes to tour the whole post office, or even faster if you just stand in front of the post office and take some of the selfies. This is a view from outside the Saigon Central Post Office. There's a Virgin Mary statue opposite, as well as the Notre Dame Cathedral, which is under renovation at the moment. There's another statue of a hero and heroine once again at the other entrance, near the entrance of the post office.